Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team per Lemon. Today we will learn how to transcribe a YouTube video and how to get the takeaways and the summary of its transcription. So I want to transcribe this video, and in ChatGPT 4 go to here, click plugins and use this plugin video summary. You can install this plugin by visiting this plugin store, and here I will paste the URL of YouTube video. It will take few seconds to generate the video summary. You can see here it's generating. So here I have the summary of the YouTube video, so I can get more takeaways and I can discuss with this bot to get the specific results. For example, I want to ask is there any platform discussed in the video, or list the platforms names discussed in the video or the URLs. So there's a simple way to generate the summary. Thank you.